this box came in the mail today. Let's see what's inside. So these are the 3 products from the box, but in today's video we will only focus on the Yeelight Ambience lamp or the Yeelight Candela. So we will put these 2 products aside and you can take a look at those in our next video. The Yeelight Candela is a smart candle which you can connect to your mobile device and you can control it through the Yeelight app, which by the way is available on iOS and Android. So before we go any further with the specs, let's take a look at what's inside the box. So if we open up here, the first thing we'll see is, of course, a manual. But I don't believe that we need a manual to turn on a lamp, so we'll just throw this away. Then put the box down here and open it. We'll see another box. And inside the other box, we have a charging cable, which comes in really handy when you want to recharge the rechargeable battery. Let's open up to the lamp. And here we go, here's the beautiful lamp. So we'll put this one aside, whoops, and take this one out. And here we have the Yeelight Candela. The Candela offers a 1800 Kelvin color temperature, which is the same as a candlelight, and with adjustable brightness. You can control up to 30,000 candelas at once with the intuitive Yeelight mobile app or connect them to your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. That comes in pretty handy when you have a girl, right?
Sure.
The built-in 2100 mAh rechargeable battery allows you to use the Yeelight Candela lamps for up to 8 hours on a single charge, and you can take it with you and show it off to your friends. Even though controlling the Candela through an app is pretty damn cool, then you can also control it manually by rotating the lampshade clockwise and counterclockwise to adjust the brightness. If you want a natural candlelight, then you can turn the lampshade clockwise and then quickly counterclockwise again, and the lamp will start making a pulse. So if we hop onto a smartphone and go to the App Store or the Google Play and search for Yeelight and download the app, that looks like this. There we go, open. Then we'll get into the Yeelight app. New user. And we have all these different options. We can just quickly go over them like this. And we can hit log in. And we have to select a server. And I experienced, if you want to connect it to your Google Assistant or your Alexa, then you have to go and connect to the Singapore server to make it work. And then you have read and understand the terms of use. And then we log in. It's password and email. Whoops. Sign in. If we turn on our ambience lamp or the Candela here and turn it on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth on our smartphone too, then we can connect the Candela to the phone. Okay, so we will add a device, so we hit the plus up here in the right corner and we scroll down and add the ambience lamp and it will connect to this lamp. We'll choose it and next step. Now it says connecting, and then we have, now we can see it starts pulsing. Then we have to turn the lampshade and now it's connected. And we can try to turn off all the lights here in the studio. Hey Google, turn off all lights. So now that we have turned off the lights here in the studio, we can really experience the 1800 Kelvin color temperature. And as well as all these scenes, the night mode, the home, the music moment, romance, the bath and the dinner. Down here in the bottom of the app, we have a slider where we can adjust the brightness of the lamp, as well as a power button where we can turn on and off the lamp. Hey Google, turn the lights back on. So all in all, the Yeelight Candela is a fantastic product. And actually, the Europe Amazon launch is happening right now. So go get your products and let us know. See ya.